Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 5th of February. And first of all, national news. PM Modi addressed concluding ceremony of S.N. Goenka's 100th birth anniversary. Winds will likely to continue over northwest and adjoining central India till 5th Feb, IMD said. PM Narendra Modi to inaugurate NEET Goa campus on February 6. PM Modi unveiled development initiatives worth over 11,000 crore rupees in Assam. NIA charge sheets three Myanmar nationals in human trafficking case. UPATS arrested Indian embassy worker in Moscow for spying for Pakistan. Karnataka government fixed fares for Ola, Uber and other taxes. Home Minister Amit Shah addressed to valedictory function of Commonwealth Attorneys and Solicitors General Conference 2024 in New Delhi. International news. UK aircraft carrier sidelined from largest NATO exercises since Cold War due to propeller problem. US President Joe Biden won South Carolina's Democratic primary as he geared up for his re-election bid. US Britain waged strike against Iran linked Houthis in Yemen. Rare snow leopard captured in Afghanistan after livestock killings. Houthis vote response after US UK launch strikes against 36 targets. And now some sports news. India's Shri Valli Bhamidipati and Zeel Desai impressed with shock win in L&T Mumbai Open WTA 125K. Davis Cup India blank Pakistan 4-0 seal plays in Group 1. Netherlands team arrived in Bhubaneswar for FIH Men's Hockey Pro League. PT Usha honored with Lifetime Achievement Award by Sports Journalist Federation of India. No question of going back on IOA CEO's appointment, PT Usha said. Indigo issued apology after Asian Paragames medalist alleges mistreatment by crew. Speed skater Shruti Kotwal want to make Khelo India Winter Games memorable. Former Paralympian Deepa Malik urged PM Modi Anurag Thakur to reconsider PCI suspension. Australia thumped West Indies by 83 runs to seal ODI series. And now, business related news. Mukesh Ambani, highest placed Indian, number 2 globally in brand Guardianship Index 2024. No adverse impact of Red Sea crisis so far on India's trade. After Ayodhya, SpiceJet plans to connect more tourist religious places. Pension liability brings down SBI profits by 35.5% in December quarter. Government gave rupees 9,000 crore to Exim Bank as loans extended to foreign countries turn NPAs. Tata Motors started work on Gigafactory in UK. And that's all in news. Thank you.